Hey there, what if I tell you that you can make money while typing on your keyboard? And it's really simple. You can make $50, 70, 80, 100, 200, 300, 500, $600. Alright, so let's get into this video. Right, so have a look at this. Now what you need to do is type text broker, and here you go. You're gonna search text broker on Google, and yeah, click on the first link. I've already opened it over here. Right, so have a look at it. This is the website that is going to pay you for typing on your keyboard, and that to $100 a day, or maybe even more than that, or $100 an hour. Depends on your skill of how you are going to type quickly and accurately. So this particular website, text broker, is trusted by Yoast, Staples, eBay, and all the big companies, right? And yes, this is a website where you can definitely earn money, right? So what you are going to do over here, you're going to be a writer, and you're going to click on this I write content, right? So let's have a look at this website. Well, this particular pitch is for the content clients, right? So let's just have a look at what you're going to make. So click on I write content, and there you will be redirected to this page, textbrokers.com/authors, right? So you're going to be an author, and yeah, so earn money to write content. Really very simple. Now this has free sign up, so there is no charge upfront. It's free author registration. No money is required to register for them. All you need to do is deliver a quality content, right? So why write for text broker? First of all, it's free of charge, flexible time management. Yeah, you can work from home, and you will be getting paid via PayPal, so it's really cool. So all the money will be directly transferred to your PayPal account and then to your bank account, and it works flawlessly. Now let's have a look at the payment, what you will be getting, right? So yeah, so payment with text broker is really very simple. Good work payoffs, right? So here your earnings at a glance. Now have a look at this. The quality of the words matter. It means that if you wrote if you typed, right, and there are some spelling errors and all that, right, then you will be paid less per word, 0.7 cents, 1 cent, right? And that's not good. Have a look at over here, right? If you are a decent writer, you should have actually 4 stars, right? So you will make $14, right, per 1,000 words. However, if you're using the hack that I'm going to share with you, you can earn much more money than this. You can even upgrade your level to 5 stars, and look at over here the difference. 4 star gets $14 and the 5 star gets $50, more than twice, right? More than twice, right? And definitely you can make money really simply, right? So you can actually write 1,000 words in an hour. I think that's true, because I have also been writing on Medium, and yeah, it roughly takes about 1 hour to write 1,000 words of good content of this quality, right? 5-star quality, right? And yeah, so if you put in 2 hours a day, then yeah, you can make $100 even, and if you are ready to put in your full effort, like 7 hours, $350. It depends on how much work you're going to put in. Right now I'm going to give you a simple hack. If you are already really good at English, then you can make this kinds of money, right? Or even if your quality is a bit lower, right, then also you can make a lot of money, right? With the simple trick that I'm going to share with you, you'll get your quality up to 5 stars, and also your you will be typing 1,000 words in like 10 minutes or so. I mean, yeah, it's achievable. So let's get on with it. Right now, yeah, so this is about text broker, right? And yeah, so you can use this website to earn money, and yeah, it's really very simple. There are other alternatives as well, so let's have a look at this website, writer access. And yeah, this is also a simple website, and this website also pays you for writing articles, right? So you can switch between these two websites, right? If you want to diversify, right? And yeah, so this website pays even more than that, right? So have a look at it. If you have spelling and grammar error and basic tone and style, you know I'm pretty sure you can do all of these, right? Get this up to like easily up to three star level, right? 3 stars and upwards of this, right? It's achievable, right? But if you follow some people who really have written some really good content and try to extract words from there, then you can definitely go for 6 star level, and you can earn $2 per word. So for writing 1,000 words, you make $2,000 in this website, right? And it's really worth it if you are diligent and you want to be a quality writer, right? And make it a full-time profession. If you want to, then you can sky is the limit over here, right? You can write n number of articles and you can earn a lot of things, right? So this is a kind of a job, right, where you are going to put in your hours. You'll get paid by the hours, right? But yeah, it's good, you can work from home in this, right? However, if you're looking to make money via a business that you have built, right, or a system that works even while you are in sleep, you should definitely check out the first link in the description, where I've mentioned how you can do that and how you can learn to build your business in such a way that you'll get money passively without once you have done the work, right? Once your business is set up, you'll be making money passively. All right, let's see. Now, this is what you're supposed to do. In both the websites, you're just going to be signing up, right? And obviously, in text broker over here, you're going to sign up as an author, right? And yeah, so they are going to ask you all these things, right? Profession, field of study, and all this does not really matter. The thing is that you need to clear the tests, right? And once you have given a sample article with good content, right, you'll get that star rating on your profile, right? And yeah, so yeah, you can make a so from the start you need to apply that hack and make lots of money, right? So yeah, just fill it out. You and they will ask you for the PayPal account and yeah, PayPal Gmail, and then do that, right? Now yeah, over here also it's the same thing. Open account, and yeah, so join force, it's free. In writer access, you do this. Now apply, it's free. Select one category. What are you going to do? Writing, yeah. All right, you'll do the writing part. And now what you're going to do over here is you fill in your contact information, location, resume. So yeah, build a resume around it. It's really very simple, right? If you have written a few blogs or even essays, right, you can put in that. And yeah, right, if you have some experience, you can definitely go to writer access. I definitely recommend you should go to text broker first, right, because they will be taking the test. And yeah, So that way you will be able to get some experience from text broker and then apply over here, because here you can get paid even more, right? So yeah, so it's a legit website, and as you can see, they are asking a lot of information for you, and yeah, you'll also require to fill your tax information in these websites as it is required, right? And over here, writer access is trusted by Microsoft, such big companies, right? And lots of other companies, Cisco. There is an yeah, there are so many companies, right? See, this is a job, so don't be afraid. I checked it out that you will definitely get paid for the work that you do, and it's really simple. The only challenging part could be in writer access is to get into the program and yeah, get started as a writer. In text broker, it's somewhat simple, right? And yeah, so definitely choose text broker in the beginning, and then you can shift over there. All right, so let's get to the hack part. So what you need to do is go to Google Docs. All right, so once you go to Google Docs, let me open a blank one. All right, so here is a cool extension that I have downloaded. It's Grammarly, right? And yeah, so over here you can see it automatically corrects your grammatical errors. However, in Docs you are already provided with the spelling correction and all, so you don't have to worry. But what I am telling you, there is a nice tool that can help you to type way faster than that. Now let me put in a sample. All right, so let me just write out a sample. Hey, there, I am Rahul, and I am an online entrepreneur, right? So it took me a while to write this. So what you're going to do is go to tools and select voice typing, right? So voice typing will help you because you are going to directly speak into it, and yeah, it's really simple. Let's have a look at it. Hey there, I am Rahul and I am an online entrepreneur. See that? It's perfect, and it's amazing that it is able to write it very fast and very neatly, right? Which you will never be able to do that with the help of a keyboard, as it takes longer time to type on the keyboard, right? So yeah, you just need to be clear in what you are saying, and Google will always give you the correct answer for what you are trying to say, right? So I am saying just now all right, so as I was saying, it's really simple, and yeah, just have a look at it, read it a bit, and you're golden, right? See, so many words have been already written on it, right? And it's about how much words are these. Let's have a look at it. All right, so you have written one page, 96 words, 466 characters, right? So in a matter of minute you were able to write a lot of things, right? No, it really took so less time to write this, right? 100 words in about a minute, right? So assume if you are going to speak clearly for 10 minutes, then you will be able to write 1,000 words without ever typing, right? And then submit the article directly to text broker, or writer access, right? So that's it for the video. It's really simple, just apply this one. You can do this for any other matter as well, right? It's really very helpful, this Google Docs, right? So yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this, more videos on how to make money online. And yeah, I'm going to be posting almost every single day, right? And it's going to be very cool. And also you can check out my Facebook page, where I will be posting all the things required for an online entrepreneur if you're interested in online entrepreneurship, right? And yeah, go check out the first link in the description if you want to learn how to set up a business to earn even while you're in sleep. Okay then, so that's all, right? And yeah, have a good day, and I will see you until next time.